As part of the Azaadi Amrit Mahotsav, or celebration of the 75th anniversary of India's independence, the Border Security Force had organized a cycle rally which was flagged off from the ICP Akhaura, Tripura, and entered Meghalaya on the 11th of November 2022. The rally comprises of 19 cyclists and will cover a distance of about 2,200 kilometers from Tripura to South Bengal. Sandeep Rawat, the DIG Sector Jowai, along with other officials, welcomed the rally by garlanding all the cyclists on entering the area of the Meghalaya frontier, and a band show was organized on their arrival. A cultural program was also organized by students of the Holy Cross School Umkiang, which was attended by cyclists and residents of the area. The aim of the rally is to convey the message of security amongst border population and to spread awareness about stopping trans-border crimes, the ill effects of drug use, and to motivate the youth to join India's first line of defense, the Border Security Force. It also intends to promote awareness on national integration and spread the message of patriotism and fraternity amongst all Indians. So far, the rally has covered 420 kilometers distance and will continue to cover almost 245 kilometers in Meghalaya.
চলো 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 হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে স্পিড ঠিক আছে এটাই রাখো চলো